Hey everybody, we are going to try a new skill. We are finding all new information in this unit or in this module, and this lesson is going to be no different. We are going to be working ourselves through sort of emerging level problems, then a developing level problem, and then what I would consider a proficient level problem. This is our emerging level problem. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be finding an equation for a line given certain information. It's important when we look at this information that we dissect exactly what that information is. So, finding an equation for the line given the following information. We have a slope of 1/2 and a point of 0.6. First things first, our base equation is y equals mx plus b. That's slope-intercept form that we're going to be using. If we're going to be using this equation, we can identify our slope right away. It's awesome. What we can also identify right away is our y-intercept. That's why this is an emerging level problem. If we look at this point, if we have a point where the x is equal to 0, that means we have found our y-intercept. So that is our B. So if I were to look at this, if I were to graph it, this point 0.6, on the x-axis, I'm not going anywhere, and I'm just going up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have, quite literally, the y-intercept right here. And then I can have my slope of 1/2. I don't have to graph these problems. However, I know that sometimes visually it's really helpful to see the graph to see if you're actually creating an equation that's representative of a graph or a real line that you're supposed to be graphing. So now let's write our equation. Y is equal to, instead of writing m, we're going to write this number 1/2 right into that equation. We always have an x in our equation. If we don't, we do not have slope-intercept form. And last but not least, we're going to write this 6 in for the b value. And we're done. This is all we need to do. We created an equation given a slope of 1/2, and it goes through 0.06. And this equation matches this graphed line. Yay! All right, we have 2 more videos and a developing level problem, and then we have an a proficient level problem, and then you'll be able to work on the must-do practice problems and the exit pass. Thanks for watching.